My name is Mo Kim. I'm a former chef. Now I run a bakery called Keki Modern Cakes. Our most popular items are bouncy cheesecake and also our castella. And both of them have a very similar texture. They're very, very fluffy and they kind of jiggle when it comes out of the oven. It was inspired from a region in Japan called Osaka. One of the biggest difference between the Osaka Japanese style cheesecake, the fact that our cheesecake uses New York style cream cheese and also we use a mascarpone style cream cheese too. You're actually eating almost like air cake because it's so light in texture, and when you actually bite into it, it kind of dissolves. Our bouncy cheesecake is actually made with a technique called meringue. So basically, we make a regular cheesecake batter and then we put it together with egg whites meringue, which creates that fluffy, almost like souffle type of texture. From Philippines, it's a purple yam and it has a very nice texture and the flavor is really good and the color is like super purple.